MustangMedic. We're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. What can you say? Let's go this now. Just like the old days, guys. I pulled over. I got a couple light bulbs. Great service at AutoZone out here in Pennsylvania, and now she's got a right blinker and running light. And I got a really cool Wesson knife too. Pretty cool, huh? All right, on the road, and we're done. She just got this car and it's got an engine knock. It's not good. She didn't pay a lot of money for it though, that's a good thing. This is Alyssa, and I just happened to be at an AutoZone picking up light bulbs for my van. I saw her, she came in her BMW, little shiny BMW. She's 23 years old, she's in college. No, don't hit on her. But I thought to myself, she just got ripped off. It's got an engine knock. I heard the BMW come in with an engine knock. They agree with me, it's an engine knock. We all know engine knocks, guys. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have her start it right at the end of this video. But she's 23, she's going to college. She just got ripped off by somebody and she's freaking out. And I asked her, do you have a PayPal account? She has a PayPal account. If you choose to help out this young lady, this is where you can send it to PayPal.
I don't even know it.
You don't know it? All right, well, she's gonna look it up and then she's gonna tell it to you. I don't know how. Oh, I've only got a minute. Oh, we're at 53 seconds. We're gonna have to. All right, we'll go to the second video on Instagram.
Or it
It'll be a rough cut.
If it'll load.
She's loading her PayPal account, so obviously she's not ripping us off. It's my idea to do this for her, and I'm hoping somebody can help her. I'm not in a position to buy her a new car. If I did, I'd be helping her out. She could be my daughter. I hate to say that. I really do. I'm 54. All right, so read it off, your PayPal email.
It's paypal.me/ALYSSAMARMONTELLO.
Do it one more time just for clarity's sake.
PayPal me/ALYSSAMARMONTELLO.
And your name is what?
Alyssa.
Alyssa. This is Alyssa. She's gonna go ahead and start your car up for a second. Just rev the. Don't get upset. We never know. Something good. I know she's getting upset. This is really bad. I went through this with a Mustang. Well, he wants to pop the hood. He wants to pop the hood. Maybe there's hope. Let's see. The whole top half of her engine's shot. She just bought the car for what you should pay $2,600. She didn't pay a lot of money for it. It's pretty on the outside. It's ugly on the inside. Help her out with her PayPal account. Let's see what we can do. Let's put it together for MustangMedics. Let's help out this young lady. She's 23 in college and she's freaking out. You hate things that are on the news. It's like almost like a death in the family. I mean, it's not that bad, obviously, but I've experienced this with a Mustang, an SN95, so I know how she feels. Especially when it's your only form of transportation. Help her out.